Oh, look what's behind me. So I walk in the room, and this is on the wall, and there's a quote over here that says, John 3:16, for God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, for whosoever shall follow him shall have everlasting life. It was kind of fun. I was like, very religious thing here. So it was kind of cool. I haven't seen this painting in a while, and it was cool to see that what is it, the verse scribed up on the wall. It's kind of interesting. So this is my apartment. Day one of biomechanical or an alternative cancer treatment. So I started the day today with AccuGraph. It's this little thing. It does like it goes in and what does it do? It's like the energies of the meridians. So like with acupuncture and stuff, they have meridians of energy and stuff. So they go and they put this little thing that measures it, I suppose, and it comes up with this reading. From this, the doctor goes and does something with it. I'm not 100% sure, but just sees where my energy goes, where I'm, my chi energy is low, and my energy stability is kind of extremely low, and it kind of goes through and explains some stuff. So interesting, cool. From that, I got my blood looked at, which looked good mostly. I'll show you what he showed me. So let's see. Can you guys see that? That's my blood. That's a virus or something like that. They said it was in my blood. Those are my cells, and that big one's a white blood cell. And then over here is my blood, and he said that could be an infection or the starting. It looks like it wants to be cancer, but he's like it's not yet. So he said that's probably from the colon or something like that. So other than that, he said look good. My cells look really good. Everything else was good. So that was cool to have. Let's see, and then after that I had a massage of sorts. They got this little, it looked like a sander, but it just kind of vibrates. So did that for a little bit, and then they did a chiropractic adjustment, so kind of cracked me and stuff. So after that, I went and had a foot bath, which was, it came out, so they had this little list of colors, what they all meant. And so it came out with orange and black flakes. And they said the orange was a detox of the joints, and the black flakes are heavy metals that were coming out. It was crazy. It's just water in this little electrode or something like that, and it just drew all this nasty stuff out of me. So really cool. From there I went into the little heat tunnel thing. So it's infrared heat on you, and it just it shook my legs a little bit while I was in there, and kind of just warmed me up. It was pretty sweet. And then also had my blood. They call this thing called photoluminescence, which is basically they drew 40 milliliters of blood. It was a giant needle that came out with blood. They put that into an IV bag, and they put ozone in it, and then they dripped that back into me. But before it got to me, it went through a UV ray or UV light, so it was photoluminized or whatever it says that is supposed to help with cancer cure or something like that. So pretty cool things. That was interesting for sure. After that, I think, let me see. And after that I had an hour break for lunch, so I left from that thing, went to lunch. I actually just prepared lunch in my room. I made a carrot and tomato soup, which was really, really good. I just blended it, so I put carrots, tomatoes, some onions, some garlic, and some red chili flake oil. I put a little bit too much of the red chili flakes in there, so it was really hot, but it was definitely good. It only took, just threw everything in a blender, and it blended right up, and super good. Put some tomatoes and onions on it, so that was nice. After that, during that time I made my horsehair tea or horsetail tea. I can't remember what it is, but I made that, put it in my little thermos, and I went back down to so that was about an hour. After that, I went back down to the clinic and went into a hyperbolic chamber. And so it's kind of like those, if you guys ever see the movies when the divers come up too fast and they put them in a chamber that's pressurized, same type of thing, same concept. So just I was in there for an hour and just did a bunch of reading, which was really nice. After that, the day was pretty much mine. They gave me a list of supplements to take, so I went and bought all the supplements down here. Came back to my room, made a light salad to take with the supplement. I just put some romaine, some red leaf. I threw some scallions in there, some red onion, and then I just did some olive oil and some Dijon mustard. Just kind of mixed it up, put some nuts in there, some craisins. Ate that with my supplements, and then basically during that time I had heated up my coffee from Anima as well. So I heated that up, prepared for that, and then after and then I went to the store while the enema was cooling down. So I went to the store, and yes, there is a store here, a tiny store, to pick up some tomatoes. Came back, did the enema. I made a dinner which was a stuffed tomatoes. So I did tomatoes, jicama, some scallions, put that on a bowl, mixed it with some dill sauce that I had made this morning, and had let it sit all morning. So it was really good. And then after that, took some more supplements, and now I'm recording this thing. So it was really good. I actually I took a bunch of pictures today, and I have a video from another video of was me walking into the apartment, so I'll put that on here too, so you guys can see that. But the food was awesome. Like I'm really impressed by the food. I'll post pictures, but yeah, it was really good. Other than the too much pepper flakes in the one, and then I think I put way too much garlic in the dill sauce. I put a whole clove in it. I think I put a whole clove versus the 1 teaspoon at request, because I said, man, something's burning. Like, oh, dumb. So, but it was really good. So I'm pretty impressed by raw food for sure. I'm really liking it, and it looks awesome. So it was nice. And then while I was out, I had a couple thoughts. So one of the things that I've been kind of, I don't want to say struggling with, but just kind of going over and over again is just saying, like, well, if I die, would I feel wronged? Would I feel wronged that I made the wrong choice or the right choice, or that because I didn't do something that it's their fault or anything like that? And kind of thinking about it just kind of struck me. I don't know. It just kind of came from me from nowhere, and I was like, no, I wouldn't feel wronged at all, because I made the choice. I chose to spend the time that I had on here the way I wanted to, and from there I really kind of took a step back and really realized, like, we're all on this journey together. There's no, it's not about the answers, it's not about the end game, as everyone says. It's about the journey, and I think it's not about the answers, but it's about the questions, and it's about us becoming who we must become to ask bigger questions than that, and that's all life really is to me. So it's not, and I don't think the Western medicine is doing anything wrong. I don't think the holistic and everything is doing anything wrong. We're all in unknown territory here. We're all on this journey, all moving forward, and there's no right or wrong answer. There's no answer. It's just we do what we can and kind of move forward. And that, I called my wife right when I thought of that, and kind of told her that, and it was just kind of one of those like aha moments for me. Like, it's not us against them. It's just us. Like, there's no them. There's no anything like that. It's just us. Like, we're all here going somewhere, so we're all asking questions. Let's just keep doing that. So it was really cool. Kind of a good little good little thoughts today. So let me see if there was anything else that I wanted to talk about, but no, I think that was it. So yeah, it's been a fantastic day up here. Aberdeen's tiny. I drove like 2 minutes outside, and I was like, oh, never mind. There's nothing here but fields, just dirt, like miles and miles of dirt. It's just all plowed out. You can see like the wind will come through, and all these dusts will just come flying across. Like, it's all potatoes right there. So it was pretty cool. But yeah, I guess beyond that, I'm doing amazing. I'm having a great time up here. Oh, one thing that I found. This little tumor right here is getting a little bit bigger. You see how you can see it almost right there? It's a little bit bigger than what I had noticed in the past. So that's growing a little bit. I don't know what it's doing there or why, of course, but I'm doing everything I can now to fight it. So just keep on going, that way. So it's pretty sweet. But yeah, I hope you guys, I'll ask you, are you closer to where you want to be now than you were 10 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, an hour ago, whenever it was? Just ask yourself that question. Are you sure? Are you on your way to where you want to be? I know I am, for sure. And if it's not going to be you, then who? And if it's not now, then when? So hope you guys all had a great day, and yeah, we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.